Lamborghini is the world's first supersport utility vehicle, where exclusivity, sportiness, and performance meet comfort and versatility. Today, I will share all Lamborghini models and details. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. The Lamborghini Temerario marks a new chapter in hybridization. As the second high-performance electrified vehicle, or HPEV, it combines a bi-turbo V8 engine with 3 electric motors. This synergy redefines super sports car performance and driving emotions. The Revuelto ushers in a new era for Lamborghini, blending sustainability with power. As the first HPEV, it features a reimagined V12 engine. This technical masterpiece delivers unmatched performance and driving excitement, setting new standards in the automotive world. Meet the Lamborghini Urus, the world's first supersport utility vehicle. It combines exclusivity, sportiness, and comfort. With its plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV version, the Urus offers unparalleled performance and a fun-to-drive experience, embodying multiple souls. The Lamborghini Huracan is born from a legacy of perfection. Equipped with a powerful V10 engine and cutting-edge technology, it ensures top performance and control. The Lamborghini Doppia Frizione dual-clutch gearbox and 4-wheel drive make it thrilling to drive. Lamborghini's limited series models are exclusive, limited editions, showcasing the pinnacle of design and technology. Meanwhile, concept models push the boundaries of innovation, offering a glimpse into Lamborghini's future at prestigious international motor shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.